Clothes are an essential part of our daily life, but keeping them clean, fresh, and long-lasting requires proper care. Today, we will learn how to maintain fabrics through correct cleaning, stain removal, and storage. Grime and grease stick to clothes due to perspiration, pollution, and carelessness. If stains are not removed quickly using the right soaps and detergents, they may become permanent and spoil the appearance of the fabric. Fresh stains are easier to remove. Ignoring them allows dirt to embed deeply, sometimes for the life of the garment. Harsh chemical treatment later may damage the cloth. The more care we give to clothes, the longer they last. Each fabric has its own characteristics. Therefore, every fabric requires specific care during washing and storage. Many products help in laundering. These are divided into two groups, auxiliaries and cleansers. Let's understand them one by one. Blue is a chemical whitener used before the final rinse. It is available as powder or liquid. A small amount is mixed in water and the garment is dipped in it. If excessive blue is used, dip the fabric in plain water with vinegar or lime juice. Starch stiffens cotton and linen. Gum stiffens silk and rayon. These agents add crispness and shine. Starch clothes do not get dirty easily. To starch clothes, starch paste is mixed in water, strained, and the garment is dipped and dried in sunlight. Bleaches brighten fabric and remove stains. There are two types. Oxidizing bleaches with strong action. Examples include sunlight, hydrogen peroxide, and sodium hypochlorite. Reducing bleaches have milder action, such as sodium hydrosulfite. Besides bleaches, special agents remove stains. Acidic reagents like vinegar and lemon work for rust and ink. Alkaline reagents like ammonia and baking soda work for tea and coffee. Grease solvents include turpentine and acetone. Grease absorbents include talcum powder and chalk. Each stain requires a specific treatment. Cleansers remove dirt from fabric. There are two kinds: soapy detergents, which are natural soaps that are cheap and environment-friendly, and soapless detergents, which are synthetic chemicals that clean well in cold water but are expensive and non-biodegradable. A good laundry soap should dissolve easily, produce good lather, contain about 30% moisture, be firm but not too hard, be free from resins, and not contain excess alkali. Stains should always be removed before washing. Types of stains include animal stains like blood, milk, and egg, grease stains like oil and polish, dye stains like paint and color, mineral stains like rust, and vegetable stains like tea, curry, and fruit. Stains can be identified by color, smell, or feel. Important rules for removing known stains. Remove stains when fresh. Identify stain type. Test chemicals on hidden fabric. Use cold water for animal stains. Start with mild treatment. Use diluted chemicals for delicate fabrics. Work from outer edge to center. Rinse chemicals immediately. These rules prevent damage to fabric. If a stain is unknown, follow these steps. First, soak in cold water. Then use warm soapy water. Expose to sunlight. Apply mild alkaline solution. Apply mild acid. Use bleach if needed, and rinse thoroughly. Repeat gently if required. Proper storage increases the life of clothes. General rules include: sort fabrics separately, air and brush garments, mend tears, remove pins, empty pockets, remove stains before storage, wash and iron clothes, close buttons and zips, use airtight boxes, and use insect repellents. Improper storage can ruin expensive clothes. For cotton and rayon, keep dry and remove starch before long storage. For wool, protect from moths, hang on wide hangers, and use naphthalene balls. For silk, avoid sunlight, wrap in muslin cloth, and air before folding. For synthetics, wash, dry, and air completely before storing. Clothing lasts longer when cleaned properly, stains are treated early, and garments are stored correctly. Understanding fabric care saves money, maintains hygiene, and preserves appearance. Good maintenance is not difficult. It only requires awareness and regular habits. Take care of your clothes, and they will serve you well for years.